Hi guys, my name's Mark Thayer, and this is my channel. Welcome back to another episode of my Quicktake reviews. In today's episode, we will be reviewing a cult classic for Asian beauty. Yeah, I'm gonna butcher names left and right on this one, but Ceracolla Perfect Gel. I'll leave, yeah, that's how you spell it. Let's get started. I wanted to share this hidden treasure with you because it takes some looking to find it, and you certainly wouldn't find it on a Target shelf or in the normal algorithm of Amazon suggestions. But if you are a fan of lightweight moisturizers, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, if you are into Neutrogena's Hydra Boost, this is going to be a product you should be interested in. If you are new to Asian cosmetics, you will be blown away. This is about 4 ounces of product. It's my guesstimate. It's a 90-gram tub, and it runs between 11 and 15 bucks. Now, if that isn't enough to wow you, just know that I use basically nothing, like literally a pea size, not just, yeah, pea size, but a little extra. No, a pea size on the tip of my finger. It's plenty to get all over my face. It's a little bit tricky to get used to because you use so little of it. I even find that putting a couple dots of water in the palm of my hand and mixing it together helps me spread the right amount thin across my face and neck. You can also mix it with serums, or a lot of people like to use powdered vitamin C and mix that in together. It makes for a great base for buffering other stronger actives because it's really pretty inert and stable and has all those moisturizing skin buffering ingredients in it, so just makes a great balance for those strong actives. The things that this does well: it's a big tub, so great value right off the bat, and it's no nonsense ingredients. You've got ceramides 1, 3, and 6, glycerin, butylene glycol, hydrolyzed collagen, sodium hyaluronate. I'm gonna butcher this, but phytosphingosine. It is a skin-identical ingredient that helps with cell communication and also mildly antimicrobial. So using this over the long term will help decrease flare-ups of acne and possibly rosacea. This also has cholesterol in it, which I have found is actually one of the nicest ingredients for when my skin is oversensitized, because it helps repair your moisture barrier. And it's one of those essential ingredients in the skin's makeup, especially in the stratum corneum, to keep you from losing water. So reparative, hooray. With all those ingredients, it doesn't have any fragrance in it. It does have paraben-based stabilizing agents and antimicrobials. If you're not a paraben person, sorry, this one's not for you, but just do some research on parabens because there's really nothing to be afraid of for them. If you're super sensitive, it's possible that you can be sensitive to it, but the research isn't there for avoiding it. With that said, I don't love a tub for my products because I'm digging my fingers in it. I'd usually decant this into something else that's like an airless pump, especially since it takes me so long to work through this. But if you are gonna just leave it in this package, the parabens are gonna do an awesome job keeping it stable for the length of the product. Because it's such a nice blend of humectants and emollients and skin identical ingredients, this is great for all skin types. If you use a little bit too much of it, you'll find out real quick because it does get kind of tacky on the surface of your skin, and it doesn't really go away unless you put either a couple drops of oil or another moisturizer over the top of it. So just beware. Start out very small amounts and work your way up until you find what's good for you. Another reason why this has cult status is because it is a very lightweight ceramide product, which is hard to find. Usually you find heavier creams or even just lotion type textures, but it's hard to find something that gives you ceramides, which are essential to skin health, especially if you have sensitized skin or an impaired moisture barrier. Ceramides are what go in and fill in the crevices between the skin cells. It's the mortar to the building blocks of skin. So usually you find that in a very heavy product, so oilier skin types may not really enjoy it. This is awesome because it works for all skin types. You don't really need anything extra to moisturize for sensitized dry skin. So yeah, I really have nothing bad to say about this. You can get it on Amazon sometimes. You can go to Yes Style, or there are a few other suppliers. So that may be a downside, is just that it's tricky to get to. You have to find a Japanese supplier for it, or at least someone overseas to send it to you. And then shipping times can be very hit or miss. If you've never ordered overseas, it's something they will give you an estimate of like next week to a month and a half from now. And it really could be anywhere in between. So the bottom line is excellent bang for your buck. It's a unique holy grail kind of product because it's got all the things that skin needs in a really lightweight gel texture, which is so uncommon. Yeah, I would definitely recommend trying it out to everyone. Just make sure you allot some time for that shipping. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, there are a lot more reviews just like this of awesome products, some not so awesome products, but I give you the information you need to make a decision about buying or moving on to something else. I hope to see you again soon. Take care.